Looking for a productivity-focused monitor that delivers sharp visuals, accurate colors, smooth motion, and modern connectivity without breaking the bank? The LG 32U631AB is a 32-inch QHD IPS display built for students, professionals, creators, and casual gamers who want a comfortable, efficient workspace. With a 2560 x 1440 resolution and a 100 Hz refresh rate, everything from text scrolling and spreadsheets to light gaming feels noticeably smoother than standard 60 Hz panels. HDR10 support adds better brightness and contrast for videos, while USB-C with 15W power delivery lets you connect and charge laptops or tablets using a single cable, reducing desk clutter and boosting productivity. Real-world use is where this monitor shines. Medical study, PDF reading, coding, writing, office multitasking with multiple windows, and even photo or light video editing all feel easier thanks to the large screen and consistent IPS color accuracy. Eye comfort features like reader mode and flicker safe significantly reduce eye strain during long study or work sessions, making it ideal for anyone spending hours in front of the screen. While it's not meant for competitive esports or users who need 4K resolution or high-watt USB-C charging, it hits the sweet spot for balanced productivity and entertainment with clean design, smooth motion, and reliable performance.